Hey everyone, it's Linnea, and welcome back to another Friday Frenzy video with Whimsy stamps. So today I'm going to be using the new Happy New Year stamp set, and I will be pairing that with the previously released Star Galaxy stencil. This stencil is a very versatile stencil that can be used for a variety of occasions. You can use it for a starry night sky, you can use it for kind of like birthday confetti, Christmas, anything at all. So I'm starting with a piece of dark purple cardstock, and I'm going to position this Star Galaxy stencil over the top. The good thing is you don't really have to worry about getting it straight because it's stars and they're kind of all over the place anyway, so if they're a little wonky looking, it's totally okay. I use some purple tape at the back just to hold the stencil on, and then I'm taking some white pigment ink and a blending brush, and I'm going to blend this over the top. Now usually with ink I try to get a nice smooth blend. Here I'm just worried about getting a nice thick application because I really wanted these stars to show up. Then I'm taking some gold watercolor and I'm going to add some little spatters of gold paint into the background. So now I have that pretty Star Galaxy stencil in white, and then I also have some gold flecks in the background as well. I'm taking the Happy New Year stamp set and I'm taking the shorter of the wine glass stems or champagne glass stems, whatever you want it to be. I'm going to make like a little wine glass. So I'm taking a shorter one, and I also have that Happy New Year sentiment on the top. I've positioned them in the center of my card. I'm going to ink that up with Versamark ink, and then white heat emboss that right in the center. I trimmed my panel down to be 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches so that I could have a white frame on my A2 sized card base. I'm going to add that right in the center there with some foam tape, and this card is finished. Thank you guys for watching. All of the products I used are listed and linked down in the video description below, and I will see you next time. Bye!